PestPac Review 2025. Is it worth it for pest control businesses? Managing a pest control business in 2025 comes with plenty of challenges, but most people get this wrong by thinking all software solutions are equal. PestPac is a specialized platform designed to streamline operations for pest control companies. Step 1. Scheduling and routing. PestPac allows you to optimize technician routes, reducing drive time and fuel costs. You won't believe what happens next. It can automatically adjust routes based on last-minute cancellations or urgent service requests. Step 2. Customer management. PestPac stores detailed customer records, service history, and recurring contracts. Unlike generic CRMs, it's tailored to pest control workflows, so you can generate invoices, send reminders, and track customer satisfaction easily. Step 3. Reporting and analytics. The platform provides insights on revenue, service efficiency, and technician performance. The surprising truth is that many companies see a tangible increase in productivity within weeks of implementing it. Pricing is subscription-based and varies with the number of users and modules you choose. PestPac can feel pricey for very small businesses, but for mid-sized to large pest control operations, the time saved and efficiency gained often outweighs the cost. So, is PestPac worth it? If you run a growing pest control business and want to streamline scheduling, customer management, and reporting, it's one of the best options on the market today.